Igwe. Council of Elders. Today is a very great day in Eziobodo Kingdom. We are all very happy today because we are officially handing over our new palace to our Igwe. After 11 years of struggle by the building committee and the entire Eziobodo community, God has finally crowned our effort with success. This palace is built for our present Igwe and every other Igwe that will come after him. On behalf of the building committee, I am permitted to hand over the keys to this palace to our Igwe. Igwe.
Igwe. Eziobodo Kwenu. Yeah. Eziobodo Kwenu. Yeah. Eziobodo Kwenu. Yeah. My esteemed cabinet elders of this land. My lovely Queen and Lolo.
Your Majesty.
And the heir apparent to the throne. I want to salute all of you. Today is indeed a great day, the greatest day ever in the history of this kingdom. We have never had it so good. For me to inherit such place is not easy by any standard. And I think I best refer to this as an architectural masterpiece.
Yes.
I'm indeed overwhelmed.
Igwe, we are not yet through. There is still something we want to show you. Yes. This car here is...
Wait. You mean that this car belongs to me?
This is your official car.
It belongs to me?
Yes.
My official car?
This is your official car.
That I and my Lolo will drive?
Yes.
My goodness.
Wow. This luxurious car?
A wonder.
This is wonderful, man. Eziobodo Kwenu. Yeah. Eziobodo Kwenu. Yeah. Eziobodo Mwanu. Yeah. Patanu. Yeah. Mwenanu. Yeah. Eziobodo Kenekwemunu. Yeah. God bless all of you. Yeah.
Your Majesty, if we do not open our eyes wide, then we will not achieve anything on that seat from this kingdom. For instance, we have a river where we sell sand. Now, a peep into the records will show that we sell more than 200 tipper load of sand. And then we have the boreholes. You know how much we make from the boreholes. And then the markets, all the community markets, all the money that is accruing to the kingdom. Eh?
So, you have just scratched the surface all this while. Why don't you hit the nail on the head? I mean, by being explicit, what exactly are you talking about?
Thank you, Your Majesty. You are the Igwe, and whatever you say stands. I believe that we should keep a certain percentage from all funds accruing to the kingdom. Say perhaps 50% for our own upkeep, and the other 50% for the kingdom. All you have to do is call a meeting of all the elders of chiefs. Tell them what you want to do. But remember, the sharing is just between you and I.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I've called you 3 times. Are you out of your mind or something? How How dare you suggest to me that both of us will share the resources of this kingdom, which my great-grandfathers did not do? Huh? I am indeed disappointed in you. I am disappointed in you. I am very disappointed in you. No.
Your Majesty, is everything all right?
Very all right. By the way, where have you been with the prince?
Oh, he was playing outside.
Hello, bring him. Hello, my prince. How are you?
Baby.
How are you?
Fine.
Good boy. One day, you're going to sit on this throne, eh? Okay?
Thank you, my
All right?
Majesty.
Do like this, okay? Okay. That's my son. Huh? You can now take him away.
Thank you.
Go with mommy, okay? Good.
Tell Daddy bye.
You are my very good friend. That's why I personally made you Onowu. If, for instance, something happens to me, perhaps I drop dead and maybe go join my ancestors right now. You are the next person to take over the administration of this throne until the prince grows and becomes of age to take over the throne of Eziobodo. Now, is it how you're going to administer this throne for the people of Eziobodo? Now listen. If you must be a leader, then you must show exemplary qualities of a good leader, that people will pray and respect you.
I am sorry.
Tell the driver we may have to go out later.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty,
Okay.
I want to talk to you. Your Majesty, do you have any problem with Onowu Oranusi?
No. Why do you ask?
I overheard you when I came into the palace this afternoon quarreling with him.
Oh, that's the usual palace misunderstanding that crops up once in a while.
Did you say palace misunderstanding? What is it, if I may ask, that made you so angry?
It's no, his sudden greed and avarice. Imagine him suggesting to me that both of us should divide the entire revenue that accrues to this community into 2 equal halves.
What? How can he say a thing like that?
Well, I'm sure from the way I spoke to him, he would never attempt saying that to my hearing again. Not in his lifetime.
My goodness. Your Majesty, this is serious. What does he want? Does he want to ruin your reputation?
No, far from that. The Onowu I know is not that kind of person. Maybe he's a victim of circumstance. He may have run out short of money. And the only easiest way for him is to suggest such a funny method.
And why must he involve you?
No, not to worry. I've taken care of that, I can assure you.
Is it so? Thank you, Your Majesty.
The Queen. Elders of our land, I greet you all. I want to make this announcement I called you because I have this important announcement to make. It has come to my notice that some of you here are eyeing this throne. Let's not forget that we have a tradition and culture. That even if I join my ancestors now, it is only the heir apparent to the throne that has the legitimate right to take over this throne as the Igwe of Israel. And so, whoever that is thinking towards that direction should wake up from his dreams.
If I may ask your majesty, who amongst us here is the person planning such evil scheme against you? Because from the history of this our town, the Igwe ship belongs to the Ezeneas alone, from time of the ancestors, very far.
And your majesty, no individual or family has the right to seek for the Igwe ship. Is that not so?
I don't understand what is wrong with both of you. Why on earth don't you allow His Majesty to always finish before you jump into his throat?
But no, they have not said anything wrong.
Really?
They merely expressed their opinion as members of this cabinet.
Oh.
And so this issue of interruption does not arise at all.
Please, Your Majesty. From what you have just said now, that one of us is eyeing your throne, please, can you mention name?
No, I don't think it will be necessary for His Majesty to name any names at the moment. And we don't want to start looking at one another suspiciously. All I would like to say is that we should always use our tongue to count our teeth.
In view of the ongoing, I hereby make my pronouncement. I hereby pronounce that in the event of me joining my ancestors, even now, Onowu, seated here, will automatically assume the administration of this throne. And will hold in trust for my prince, the heir apparent, until he comes of age. This is my pronouncement.
Your Majesty, I'm surprised at you. I mean, how can you say a thing like that? My goodness. How could you trust Onowu with your throne? Or do you believe that that man has your interest at heart?
Lolo, I don't even understand you. All I made was an announcement. And come to think of it, I'm still very strong, healthy, and nothing will happen to me, not in the foreseeable future.
Your Majesty, I am not saying that anything will happen to you. I tell you, do you know what that announcement will cost between you and your cabinet members? I mean, all of them believes that you no longer trust them, that you are now suspecting them. I mean, how could you do a thing like that? My God. With Your Majesty, you know how long we waited before the gods gave us Chibuzo. And you know Chibuzo is the heir apparent to the throne. Please, I want you to be very careful. Please.
Miriam, our ancestors will take care, no problem.
Thank you. Thank you. But if I may ask Your Majesty, who told you that someone is eyeing the throne?
No one told me that in confidence.
Hey, Onowu. And you believed him, Your Majesty?
or her death will be very dreadful. Ezeudo, Igwe, who sent those blood-sucking murderers to kill our Igwe? Something is wrong. Something is certainly wrong.
See, I don't need care. Igwe's in there. Nsi atonike.
We meet first thing tomorrow morning. Deliberate on what to do next.
Whosoever is responsible for the death of our Igwe, man, woman, young or old, animal, pursue him or her.
Ojuku, you are the chief guard in this palace. Now we want you to tell us what happened to our Igwe and who were the animals who attacked and killed our Igwe.
Oh no. Honestly, I don't know those people. Everything happened very quickly. I don't know them.
Will you shut up? You liar! You want to tell us that somebody from nowhere just appeared and shot the Igwe? Why did they not shoot both of you?
Oh.
Ichie, I don't know anything that happened to the Igwe. I don't know.
Okay. Does any of you other boys know anything about this matter?
No. I have something to say.
Good. What is it?
Now I remembered 2 nights ago, I saw the Igwe shouting at Ojukwu, which after he walked in very angry. I saw Ojukwu eyeing him, biting his finger, and also left in annoyance. I did not know what actually was the problem. Then, yesterday, Igwe was shot.
Ojukwu, is it true that our Igwe Ezenna was shouting at you 2 nights ago?
Ichie, it is true. But it was just because of one mistake I made the other day. Honestly, Ndiche, I don't know anything that happened to His Majesty.
Elder, sir, listener, even if he knows, we don't expect him to tell us the truth. It's not possible. See, eventually, we're going to take all these boys to the chief priest. to swear to an oath.
I don't think that will be necessary for now. But I think the first thing we should do is to bury our Igwe. After that, then we can think of the next step.
Oh no. Oh no. I don't agree with you. Sincerely, I don't. We are talking about Igwe. A whole Igwe of Eziobodo Kingdom. The burial should wait first. We should get to the root of this matter and find out those responsible for this dastardly act.
Let's not go that way. Let us actually bury the Igwe.
I don't think that what you are saying is correct.
No. Remember, see, we are talking about Igwe. We know. We have to follow the custom. We must consult. We follow the custom.
Elders. One fact remains at this moment, and that is that the Igwe is no more. But we can't continue to mourn him forever. Let's not allow a vacuum to stay in the leadership of Eziobodo.
What are you trying to say?
I'm trying to say that the Igwe who departed declared in this palace that in the event of him dying, the owner who should take over reins of affairs of this kingdom until his son, the prince, will come of age. So what are we waiting for?
That cannot happen.
It will happen. Let me tell you.
Look, even if it will happen, not now. We are talking about how to take these boys to the chief priest for oath taking, and you are talking about something else.
Your name is Zimuzo, but you cannot Zimuzo on this matter.
Don't remember, the custom demands that we must consult the chief priest first. Yes, before taking any such decision.
My fellow elders,
If I may suggest, let us secure Eziobodo Kingdom first. We can do the oath taking later. We can do it later.
Hey.
The chief priest is here. Let us find out why he has come.
You all are here, planning the installation of our new Igwe. Barely 2 days, Igwe Zenna was killed. Let me warn you, you all, if you don't want the anger of the gods to descend on this kingdom, don't do anything. Don't! Till I've finished consultations with the gods of the land. Our people say, Okpala, Okpokoburu, Nte, Chiria. A word is enough for the wise.
Indeed.
When it comes up, we hear what it has to say. Because Lolo and her son belong here.
My Elders, you're welcome.
Your Highness.
I can't remember inviting you this morning. Why this unexpected visit?
Your Highness, you did not invite us to the palace, but you should realize that this palace belongs to all of us and the entire people of Ezioboro.
Yes, Your Highness. We, the Council of Elders, have every right to visit the palace anytime. Anytime.
Yes. Yes, you are quite right. Yes, you elders have every right to come to the palace anytime, either day or night. Now, I would like to know exactly why you are here, because it must be very important for you to come this early.
Your Highness, it's about Lolo Dibugu, our late Igwe's wife. We are concerned about where she is going to live with her son, Prince Chibuzo.
At least, Your Highness, for that morning period.
You know, you elders, you surprise me. Why do you ask me such a question? You are all here when the late Igwe said that if he joins his ancestors, that I will take over the administration of the throne until his son comes of age. The prince and his mother are still the owners of the palace. My stay here is only temporary. They are still the owners of the palace. They are here and they will always be here.
Igwe.
Now, elders, one or two things I'd like to bring to your attention. Hello.
Your Highness.
Hello, big boy. Well, how are you? Huh? How are you?
It's fine.
How are you?
It's fine.
In a few years now, you will become a man. Child of destiny, eh?
Exactly. A king in the making.
Yeah.
Your Highness, no, his food is ready.
Okay, you mean the prince food?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your Highness, let me go and pick up my of course.
Make sure there are no mistakes.
Yes, Your Majesty.
You. Call me Chief of Guards.
Your Majesty, he's here.
Your Highness, you sent for me.
Yes, Chief of Staff. Now, I want you to go to Lolo Dibugu's apartment. I want you to tell her that I want to see her first thing tomorrow morning. with her son, the prince.
Yes, Your Highness.
What do you mean by someone attacked you last night?
Your Highness, honestly, I don't understand. I was sleeping on my bench when some people held me on my back, covered my eyes and mouth, and tied me up. It was this morning that the chief guard came to my room and untied me.
Your Highness, I didn't see her anywhere in the compound.
What do you mean by you didn't see her anywhere in the compound? What about the prince, her son?
I didn't see the prince either.
Your Highness, we searched everywhere.
And we couldn't find him, Your Highness.
What is going on in this palace? You mean as many as all of you are? None of you can give an account of the whereabouts of the Lolo and the prince. Chief Guard.
Lolo.
Who did you say attacked the gatesman?
Honestly, I didn't see anybody. I was shocked this morning when I went to the gate and saw the gateman tied up.
And you, Ikema?
We did not see anybody.
Jesus Christ. That means I am not safe in this palace.
No. Don't let us come to that conclusion that something has happened to Lolo and the prince. Let us wait till evening. If by evening we don't hear anything or any news, then we can think of what next step to take. But until then, all of you, better start praying. You better start praying that nothing has happened to Lolo and the prince.
My God. I'm in trouble. First, it was Igwe Zenaya. Now, Lord Dibiru and the prince. Who is doing this thing to me? My God, please help your son, Ojukwu.
Ojukwu, you are the chief guard in this royal house. You've heard what these people said.
the maiden said they saw you entering into Lolo Dibugu's apartment. The time they were leaving their own room to enter the same apartment.
Ikemba and Obiuku said that they saw you coming out of Lolo's apartment. Is it true?
Ichie, yes, but...
And that same night, the gate man was attacked, though nothing was stolen from the compound.
Igwe, Ndiche, honestly, I don't know what is happening. I don't know.
Fellow elders, I think we've spoken well enough. I don't know if any of you still has a thing or two to ask any of the guards.
Yes, my question still goes to Ojukwu. What is your job in this palace?
My job in this palace is to make sure that everything in this compound is safe and well protected, including Igwe's household.
Good! So, we are alone, and the prince, the heir apparent to this kingdom. Where are they? You don't want to talk?
Ojukwu, the night before the Igwe died, he was seen shouting at you. Then the following day, we heard he was shot and he died.
And now, the prince and Lolo are nowhere to be found. Ojukwu. Who are you? And what is your mission in this palace?
Ask him. Ask him.
My fellow elders, I think we have all spoken well. Let's now hear His Majesty. Your Majesty.
Ojukwu should be taken to the palace holding cell and held until Lolo and the prince are found. Take him away.
Igwe, I'm innocent. Igwe, I'm innocent.
Take him away.
Igwe, I'm innocent.
Nse Atonike.
And who are these young men?
Your Highness, these two young men said they want to see you urgently.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Highness.
So, what can I do for you?
Your Highness, my name is Onochi, and this is Ikemefune. We are from Uburu village in this town, Your Highness.
You're welcome, my people.
Thank you.
So, what can I do for you?
Your Highness, there's a problem. A very big one for that matter.
What kind of problem?
Your Highness, we were coming back from Amakohia town this evening. On getting to the boundary between Amakohia and Ezuobodo, we saw the corpse of a woman lying by the bush side. And when we looked at the corpse very closely, we found out that it was Lolo Dibigu's corpse.
What?
Yes, Your Highness. We found Lolo Dibigu's corpse.
That means she's dead.
Oh! Hey!
Igwe. What is it? What is it, my lord? What is it?
Ha! Lolo. We found Lolo Dibigu's corpse.
You did what?
Yes, Lolo, we found her corpse.
She's dead?
unbelievable.
Hey! Still water. Run deep. Ojuku is evil!
Where is the prince?
Your Highness, we searched everywhere. We did not see him or his corpse.
So where is he?
Your Highness, we don't know. Maybe the people that kidnapped him might have killed him inside the bush.
Elders, let us go inside and plan for her a befitting funeral. Make arrangements for her to be prepared.
Yes, Your Highness.
And I want you to send some guards to go and get as many youths as you possibly can. Take Ojuku to the village square and stone him to death.
Wages of sin is death.
You go around and see. My blood will judge you. My blood will judge you.
Your Majesty, you sent for us.
Yes. Now, if you were sure you killed the prince, why didn't you bring his corpse back?
Your Highness, we killed him. In fact, I killed him myself. You know the place is a very dangerous place. Maybe the corpse might have been eaten by wild animals in the bush, Your Highness.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
Your Majesty, we did our job very well.
There's nothing to worry about.
Very well. You may go. I don't trust those boys. But I think I know exactly what to do. Oh, at last, my family is the royal family in Eziobodo. The Ezenas have run out of male children. Oh. I am His Royal Majesty, Igwe Titus Oranusi, Onyere Nkome I of Eziobodo. This is wonderful. Wonderful. I invited you here for a meeting I consider very important.
Your Highness, what is it? Don't be in a hurry. Let him finish.
Well, I called you here for 3 reasons. 1, I want to make you rich. 2, I like both of you and I want to do business with you.
Okay.
3, henceforth, you will call me Your Majesty.
No, Your Highness, double majesty.
Majesty.
Double majesty. Yes. Hit the nail on the head. Dissect it. Let's hear the details. Yes.
As long as I remain the Igwe of this kingdom, all resources generated, 50% of them will go to the community, and the other 50% will come to us.
Please, Your Majesty, don't be offended. But if I may ask, who and who will share this money?
Like, how many of us are involved?
Just the 3 of us.
Just the 3 of us.
And 60% for me, and 40% for the 2 of you.
Your Majesty. No, double majesty. It's all well and good. 40% to us. Yes, but if I may ask, why don't we incorporate Ichie Zimuzo and Ichie Thomas? You know, Ichie Zimuzo is the chairman, Community Development Committee.
What? Answer what? What if I change him and make you the chairman? Yes, and you the vice chairman.
In that case, let's carry on.
Abakude. Ntutu na de bu dede. Onye kwuru isi asịsị ekwu na udene guru ya obi. Ikemba. Take. Now speak and drink.
I, Ikemba, will not say, talk, or tell anybody what happened to Igwe Ezenna, Lolo Dibugo, and Prince. If I do, let me die.
Give it to him.
I, Obiuku, will not say, talk, or tell anyone what happened to Igwe Ezenna, Lolo Dibuku, and the prince. If I do, let me die.
Drink. Drink.
You people should stop going to Eziobodo for anything.
But Mama, why? Huh? Why? You always say this thing anytime we go to Eziobodo to dance. Eh? Okay, what is even wrong with the Eziobodo town?
The place is full of evil. Don't go there for anything now.
Huh? We are your children. So why can't you just talk to us?
There's a lot of atrocities going on there. Don't go.
Atrocities, Mama?
Yes.
Mama, I think you have a wrong impression about those people. They are very nice. They are gentle people. And they are very generous.
Oh, besides, what will even somebody do with a blind person like me and my little girl?
Chibuzo, Adugo, don't go to Eziobodo. There are other towns or villages around us. You can go there and do whatever you want to do there. Don't go to Eziobodo. Do you hear me?
Mama, it's all right. We have heard you. Adugo.
Papa.
Do you have anything to say?
If it makes Mama happy, Papa, I think we should just stop going there like she said.
Thank you. Darling, no, Mom. Thank you. Ngwan, let's go to bed, oh?
Your Majesty, God has been kind with our family today.
Good,
Yes,
good,
sir.
good. And who is this delight?
That's my daughter, Your Majesty.
Oh,
yes, sir.
She's absolutely beautiful.
We came in respect of that discussion we had about my daughter marrying your son, Prince Lawrence of Annecy.
Wonderful, wonderful. This is...
Yes.
She has grown.
I discussed it with her. And she accepted.
Oh, really? Wow. Come. My daughter. Come. Oh, look at you. You are welcome to my royal family.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Oh, get the logo. Oh, please, sit down.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you. Sit down, sit down. Okay, Your Majesty.
Oh, yes. As you know, my son, Prince, lives in the United States of America. I shall ring him as soon as possible, and I'm sure he will be most delighted to get the good news.
Yes, my dear. Good day, Lord.
Good day.
You see this pretty young lady? She is the daughter of Ichie Nzekwe. The one we've been talking about. To marry our son. Yes, she has agreed to marry our son.
Oh, my dear, come and hug your future mother-in-law. You're welcome. She's so beautiful.
From today, you are the princess of this kingdom.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
As the princess, you live in the palace.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, I guess I have to take over from here. We have a lot of things to talk about. We have a lot of things to... Let me just take over. Just come on.
Yes, of course.
Excuse us.
Mama?
Tessie, don't you have conscience at all?
What do you mean, Mama? I don't understand you.
You don't understand me. A few months ago, you brought Uwape to this house, telling us that he's the one that you want to marry. And he was here yesterday with his father, without seeing you or your father. And now, you're packing your things to go to the palace, simply because we are picked to marry the Igwe's son. The person that you have never seen before. What is wrong with you?
Mama, marriage is by choice. And I have made mine. Anyway, Mama, whether or not you're in support of this, I will pack my things first thing tomorrow morning to Igwe's palace. As his son's wife and as the princess.
And what do I tell Uwape when he comes back?
Don't worry, Mama. I've already taken care of that.
How?
What is going on here? Huh? Haven't you finished packing, Teresa? Hurry up.
Papa Teresa. I'm not happy with this decision you have taken with Teresa.
Ah.
How can you support her to marry the Igwe's son and dump the Uwape?
And who is Uwape? Who is Uwape?
So you don't know Uwape again? He's the one we gave appointment with his father for introduction. They were here yesterday without seeing any of you. Is it fair?
Be fast in packing that thing.
Yeah, Papa.
Don't forget we have something important to discuss. Mama Teresa, be very reasonable. Be reasonable. Nobody knows Uwape in this community. And the fact that our daughter is getting married to Igwe's son makes her a princess. What do we owe Uwape? Did he pay anything on our daughter's head? No! And now, Fusi eba na echi ozo, ejebe eba na alu agwo.
Be reasonable. Teresa.
Yes, Papa.
Let's talk about things that are more important.
Oh, my princess. You look so gorgeous.
Thank you.
How are you today? Sit. Let me get you an orange. Let me help you. Don't worry, I'll do it for you.
Thank you.
Well, princess, immediately after your traditional marriage, you will accompany my son to the United States.
Lola, who am I? Thank you so much.
You're
Thank
welcome,
you.
my dear.
I just pray I meet up your son's expectation.
You will. You will. Maidens.
Yes, Your Majesty.
This is Princess Tessie. She is my son's wife. Henceforth, the four of you will be her maidens. You're going to be responsible for her. You follow her wherever she goes, take care of her needs. You will be at her beck and call. Is that clear enough?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Good. Now, you go and get her something to eat.
Yes, Your Majesty.
And both of you should come behind her. Get me an orange, please.
Thank you so much, Lola.
You're welcome.
My princess, how are you?
Very fine.
And where are you coming from?
Your Highness, I went for a stroll. You need to have seen the way people were moping at me, admiring me for the way I walked majestically. Your Highness, do you know people were even greeting and bowing for me?
And that's how it should be. Because you are the princess.
I'm so happy to be in this position. Thank you so much.
You have seen nothing yet. This is only the beginning. Now you wait until my son comes back, marries you and takes you to the United States of America.
Your Highness, I cannot wait to see that day. Thank you so much. Your Highness, please, may I be excused to freshen up?
Of course. Make sure you eat your food.
Thank you. Okay.
Yes. Oh, I have not been able to think of anything else. And it has actually crept into my dreams. I haven't been able to have a proper night's rest. You are always in my dream. Oh yes, we were very, very close. I want you.
Your Highness, how can you say such a thing? I'm your son's wife to be.
Well, that's the more reason why we should help each other. How long are you going to remain celibate? And I'm sure you won't be able to cope. But if you help me, then I will help you.
Your Highness, I'm surprised at you. I cannot sleep with you. I can't do it.
Well, my princess, you have forgotten that all the people out there will respect you, bowing to you, because you are the princess of this kingdom. I made that possible. I, Igwe, I made it possible. There are so many girls, pretty, out there, who are already eyeing your position. Oh yes. So it is either you accept my request, or you reject it, and I replace you, and you lose all the privileges you have. Remember, my princess, that my son doesn't know you. He will not recognize you. So, you think about it, because I shall be back.
What I'm saying is that I need more money to equip my supermarket in Enugu. And I would like to import the goods myself.
Woman, you worry too much. Huh? Every time, money, 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 money.
Yes, because I'm a businesswoman and every business needs money.
All right. So how much do you want?
Just 3 million naira.
3 million naira is just? Very well. Tomorrow I shall give you just 3 million naira.
Oh, thank you, my darling. Thank you, my darling. Thank you. Oh.
Your Majesty.
My daughter, give me a hug. How are you today?
Fine, thank you.
Come. Come and sit on my lap. You look particularly luscious today.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
I'm jealous. If you were not my son's wife, I would have beaten you up now.
No,
I was only joking. Are you going out?
Yes, yes, Lolo. I want to stroll with my maidens.
That's all right. But be very careful, please.
Thank you. Excuse me, Your Majesty.
And don't stay out too late.
Your Majesty, this woman here, Mrs. Amelu, he came to my house this early morning with her daughter Ogadema and reported that this boy here, Ike Subedo, raped her daughter. We all know that it's a big crime, serious crime. And even in our tradition and culture, it's an abomination. So I said that weight of the case was beyond the consideration of one cabinet member. So I said, let me bring all of them before Your Majesty and before my fellow elders. Your Majesty.
Your Majesty. Ikesubalo. Did you hear what Ichie Nzekwe has just said?
Yes, Ichie.
Did you actually rape this girl?
Please, it's the devil. It's the devil's work.
Hey!
I pray it will not happen again.
Shut up! Shut up! It is devil's workshop. I won't do it again. Do you know the gravity of the offense you have committed? Were you to be in the law court, the punishment is 21 years imprisonment with hard labor. But in our land, well, let me reserve my comment. Your Majesty.
Thank you. You have spoken well. It is very clear that this useless boy has committed the offense. And woman, I thank you. I thank you for not going to the police. It shows that you have respect for the Igwe. But before I pass judgment, has anyone else anything to say?
Your Highness, I have something to say. But before I say anything, I would want this woman, her daughter, and this boy here to excuse us for a while.
All right. Please excuse us. Take him out.
Your Majesty, I, Ichie Zimuzo, I want to say that I am no longer comfortable with what is happening of atrocities is happening in this kingdom. Rape, stealing, murder, men sleeping with our women, widows, and those living with their husbands. Our daughters now bring us unwanted pregnancies. Our farms no longer yield good crops. Your Majesty, what is happening in Eziobodo Kingdom? What is happening in Eziobodo Kingdom? Or has any of us here shed blood? Your Majesty, I don't mean to be personal, but all these things started happening when Your Majesty assumed the throne of Eziobodo Kingdom. Or is it that the gods don't accept Your Majesty being the Igwe of Eziobodo? Zimuzo! Zimuzo! What are you up to? Who are you? James, who are you? I don't like the position you are taking about. Hey, what are you? Haven't we been witnessing rape and all sorts of atrocities in this kingdom? Who? But which one did he do amongst all that? Is he lying? Thomas, sit down. Whoever has said is lying. I'm not interested in this hide and seek game. Can you explain the truth? Sit down. What kind of scandalous statement are you making before His Majesty? Nobody is a child here. We are all titled men. Your Majesty,
things are not done this way. The law of the land states that before a cabinet member is expelled, then the entire cabinet members will come together, discuss the matter openly, and reach a unanimous decision. But I can't remember us discuss anything about this case. Thank you, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, I feel what we should be thinking here is how to contact the chief priest about what is happening in this kingdom. Let him come and tell us the cause of all these atrocities.
Thomas and Abadago, why are you opposing Igwe's order? The order says that Zimuzo ceases to be a member of the cabinet. The Igwe has spoken, and that order stands.
If the chief priest comes here and tells us the reasons for all these calamities, just as Zimuzo said, then we shall know if the gods are angry with us or not.
And then we shall know whether Ichie Zimuzo deserves expulsion or not. Yes.
As far as I, Igwe, Ezeka, or Anusi, am concerned, there is nothing wrong happening in my kingdom. And the chief priest is not coming here to say anything. Do I make myself clear? I have spoken, and so shall it be.
That anytime that we go to another village to go and dance, we don't have money when we come back. But if we go to that village, the master should not go to carry plenty money and come back.
How much did we make this?
Only 110 naira.
Hey. 10 naira. This is like suffering for nothing now. But I wonder, why Mama forbids us from going to Eziobodo to beg.
See, Papa, let's not listen to Mama again. Let's be going to that village and be making money and be coming back. After all, it's none of us that will get the money.
My daughter, let us not disobey Mama for now until we find out her reasons for that.
But me, I'm not happy. I'm not happy at all. You see all those plenty dance and me, I went to dance there. My waist is spinning me now and we don't even have anything to show for it. I'm not happy.
I'm not happy too. But every day is not Christmas. Eh? Okay, don't be annoyed. Don't be annoyed. Okay, help me go and get me water to wash my leg. Eh? Eh?
What is wrong with Adugo? She does not look happy.
She's not happy now. We didn't get anything from where we went to dance today. The poor girl was dancing, nothing.
When you finish what you're doing, you go and get food from the kitchen for your father and yourself, oh?
I'm not hungry.
But you have not eaten since morning. Eh? Okay. If you're not hungry, get food for your father.
I'm not hungry too.
Ele, Omega. Abuguma obanje na abia mo naku papa. Omaga. Anam.
Mama. Mama. I've been asking you this question now for a long time, and you have not given me a reasonable answer. I believe that it is because Adugo is always present. But now that Adugo is not here, Mama, tell me, why do you always forbid us from going to Eziobodo to dance?
Onwere.
Mama, there's something you're not telling me.
Buzong. Chibuzo. Onwere. It's just that town is evil and I just don't like them.
Mama, you don't just like a whole town like that. Eh? What did they do to you? Eh? Tell me why you're forbidding us. Because if you don't tell me, we will go there next time and dance. That is where we will get money.
Chibuzo!
Mama, we'll go there and dance.
Chibuzo! Don't go there for anything. Don't go there to dance. Don't go there to beg. Don't go there for anything. Oh, have you not heard about the ongoings in that village? Eh? Young boys rape married women anyhow. People disappear mysteriously without any trace. Hada Buba, Hada Njo. I have said that you should not go there again for anything. Do you hear me?
Mama, is it only Eziobodo that has evil? Every town has its own evil.
What kind of thing is
Hey, Okudili, come back here.
Are you talking to me?
You were asking me, what is it? Did you not see me?
I don't understand you.
Did you greet me?
Tessie, is anything wrong with you?
you just call me? Tessie?
Tessie, of course. Or have you changed your name?
Will you shut up? Are you the only one in this village who does not know that I am a princess?
Hey! Me, Okudele, shut up. Tessie, you are telling me, Okudele, to shut up. I can see you don't have respect for elders again. Look at you, a girl of yesterday, telling Okudele to shut up. I don't blame you. You have just started to develop wings and they're already flying above the sky. Tell me what will happen when your wings are fully grown. Useless thing.
Hey, Nani. Me? Useless?
Yes, you are a useless thing.
Okodili, you called me a useless thing? And you animals were here when that man called me a useless thing?
Princess, we are sorry.
You couldn't even do anything.
We're sorry. We're sorry, please.
Deal with all of you.
Sorry.
Princess.
You mean Okudili insulted you?
Yes, Lola. He called me a useless thing, and these useless maidens were there. They couldn't do anything to him. I don't want them again. I don't want them.
You're sorry, Princess.
My daughter, don't. It's okay. My daughter, don't talk like that. They couldn't have done anything. They are just women. Okudili is a man.
You mean a man from this kingdom insulted you?
Yes, Your Majesty. He called me a useless thing and even slapped me.
Oh, Okudili did that to you? Oh. Guards!
Your Majesty.
Now I want you to listen to me very carefully. You will go to Okudili's house and bring him here by the scruff of his neck. Is that clear?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Go! How dare you?
My lord, you have to take it easy. You know he's a married man.
So what? So what?
Okudili!
Yes. The Igwe, His Highness, requests your presence at the palace.
I hope there's no problem.
Let's get to the palace first.
Okay, in that case, tell the Igwe that I'll be coming later. Let me go and drop the list for my goods.
No! You're going with us right now! Now!
What is this now? Leave me!
Okudili, you have the guts to insult my son's wife! You! Oh, you thank your lucky star that you are a married man with a wife and children. Otherwise, I would have banished you completely, never to return. But you are not going to get away with it. No, you are not going to get away with it. You are going to learn never to insult any member of the royal family. Guards! Lie him down and give him 24 strokes of the cane!
Your Majesty, I'm sorry. Your Majesty, I'm sorry. Stay out of this! I'm sorry.
No, Your Majesty. I am the one he insulted. I will want to do it myself.
No, my princess.
Lolo, please, I will do this.
Are you sure, my princess, that you can do it well?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Right.
Hold this.
Let him have it.
Hold his hands. His legs.
No! Hey! I'm sorry.
Hold it properly.
You know, my princess, you are too much. Honestly. You know, you're going to kill me one of these days. I can well believe it. Look at the way you are just manipulating my body like a baby.
Look at you.
Hey.
You were so strong. You know, sometimes I begin to wonder if you're this strong, then how would my husband be?
Let's leave him out of it.
How do you mean? I'm talking about my husband, and you said we should leave him out of this.
Now tell me, what do you think of what happened today to Okudili?
Serves him right. Next time, he would learn to respect me, the princess of Eziobodo Kingdom.
You know, my princess, what we did to him today was not good. Yes. But I allowed it to happen just to make you happy.
And what we are doing is a taboo. But I'm doing it just to make you happy. Come on now.
Look at you.
Who is it?
Lolo.
I'm coming.
You're sleeping already? I came so that we can talk about what happened earlier today between you and that man, Okudili.
Your Highness.
You know, what happened was...
Please, can we discuss this some other time? I feel really sleepy.
Very well then. We'll talk about it tomorrow.
Good night, Your Highness.
Oh, don't forget to lock the door.
Okay.
Alright.
Thank you.
Good night.
Oni baby, this year's cultural dance will be wonderful. Our people are doing a lot of preparation. Masquerades, cultural dance and fashion parades.
Do you know, I even heard our parents are going to play football.
I'm telling you. Football? Our fathers and mothers. I'm telling you. That means they have to arrange for an ambulance to stand by at the field that day. But I wonder what those who are blind with this village will do. They will miss a lot. I pity them all. Especially the father of one of us here. They don't even have money to buy things for the preparation unless they went begging. Talk more of witnessing the occasion.
Iberi, you're a very stupid girl. You're a very useless girl for saying that kind of a thing. You're very stupid.
Onine, did I mention anybody's name?
I know that you're referring to me because my father is blind
and because we do not have any money for the preparation. Tabiri, always remember that you are not our God. You are not.
Ebere, you think I don't know you're talking to Adugo? Who are you trying to deceive? Who are you trying to deceive here? Okay, please, I'm sorry. Sorry for yourself. Get out! Be talking anyhow. You're a very stupid girl. It's okay, sorry. It's okay. Your sister here. Get out! Okay. Stupid girl. See your mouth.
Said everything is alright.
Yeah.
See you some other time.
Okay.
Take care of yourself.
Okay, sir. Bye-bye.
Alright. Hello. Excuse me, young lady. Yeah. My name is Jonathan. I'm based in Kaduna. Please, what is your name?
My name is Adugo.
Are you from this village?
Yes. Any problem?
Nothing actually. Who are your parents?
Why are you asking me all these questions?
Just tell me, and I will tell you the reason why I'm asking.
I'm from the Ofele family.
Ofele family.
Anything else?
Excuse me. Please, can I ask for one thing?
What is it?
You see, the moment I saw you, there was a peace in my heart that was so instantaneous and completely unexpected. You see, there was a conviction in my heart. Aduga would not like to dilly-dally. Will you marry me? Will you marry me, Adugo?
No. Yes, Mama.
You mean a man just stopped you on the way, just like that, and asked you to marry him? So what did you tell him?
I told the man to come and see you and Papa.
Adugo, if they come, what will you tell them? Will you accept to marry him?
Ma, if I accept to marry them, who will not take care of you and Papa? Who will carry Papa out to go and dance? You know that Nana is in missionary school. You cannot leave school and come and help people.
Adugo, you know that is not the issue here. Am I not here?
You know what I'm talking about.
Okay, so when did these people say they are coming?
Next for market day.
In my own opinion, I will advise that marriage should wait until I deal with one problem.
Problem? Which problem again? Mama, you know you always like talking riddles. Eh? Which problem now?
Look, you won't understand. Uneasy lies the head that wears the crown.
Tell me, Mama, when will I understand this your riddle? Which day will I understand this your riddle? Eh? Okay. Are you saying that Adugo shouldn't marry now?
Huh? That's not what I'm saying, no. Eh? All I am... Anyway, let them come. Let our suitors come. I'll know what to do.
Papa. The princess herself. Oh, the precious daughter of her father. The silver daughter of her daddy. You're there. Come. I like this. You're sweet. I like this. You're wonderful.
Thank you.
No, you deserve everything.
Thank you.
Yeah. Oh, that's good.
Teresa. Oh, Mama.
the mother of the princess, Princess Tessie Nzekwe Oranisi.
Will you shut up and let me talk? So this is all you want? Putting on all these things that make you look like a masquerade?
Mama.
Tessie, Okudeli told me yesterday that you flogged him mercilessly at Igwe's palace. Is it true?
Yes. Why would he see me and not greet me properly? Mama, he did not even recognize my royalty. Not just that. He told me that I am a useless thing.
Just listen to yourself. So if somebody did not tell you, you will not know that you are a real useless thing.
Mama.
Flogging a married man with children. Papa Teresa. Can you listen to your daughter?
Here on what? On what?
Anyway, why am I even talking to you? She's taking your footstep.
Thank you very much.
Teresa, before I close and open my eyes, you would have disappeared from this place.
Mama, is this not my father's compound?
Okay, your father's compound. Wait.
Just go to Igwe's palace. I'll see you there. Oh, please.
Papa, what did I do? What did I do?
Nothing as far as I'm concerned, but just go there for now. Oh, I'll take care of that. Oh, please. Don't be offended. It's the way.
Papa, I'm doing this because of you.
Are you going?
Do you realize this is not just our daughter, but a princess? A princess!
Princess, my foot.
Listen to me. People of kingdom. Our king is blind. Our king is blind. People of the kingdom. Our king is blind. Listen and listen carefully. People of the kingdom. Our king is blind.
Nzekwe, what is it? What is the matter? Why are you shouting and rushing into my palace?
Your Majesty, can you see me? Can you see us?
Are you mad? What kind of a question is that?
Your Majesty, you mean you can see us?
Ichie Thomas, what is going on?
He even called me by my name.
Why are you all barging in on me unannounced?
Your Majesty, what is going on? What is the problem? We just saw the chief priest going around the whole town, shouting and saying that our Igwe is blind.
It's his Igwe that is blind.
Why we are here to know what the problem is. Many others are still coming.
What is the meaning of that? That idiot.
Your Highness, this is not time for questions. Can you see all of us here now?
Of course I can. There's nothing wrong with me. I can see you all very, very clearly.
Your Majesty, prove it.
Yes,
prove it to us.
Yes, prove it to us. Yes.
Okay, come here. Come here. Are you not Ichie Thomas? Are you not Abanogo?
It's me.
Nsi atonike.
Zimuzo.
Nsi atonike.
Are you satisfied?
Your Majesty, what kind of embarrassment?
Exactly. What kind of a stupid, idiotic embarrassment? And I will not take it. God! Your Majesty. Now go and get me that nincompoop. That idiot who calls himself the chief priest. Immediately. Your Majesty. I have to deal with him.
And none. How are your people?
They're fine. They're fine. No.
Your man, how is your mother?
She's fine, ma'am. She's very fine, ma'am.
You said you work in Kaduna?
Yes, I am based in Kaduna. That is where I work.
My son.
Sir.
I cannot see you, but from your voice, I know you're a good man.
I'm a very handsome boy too.
Hey, I know you will treat my daughter well.
Yes.
You're welcome.
Allah.
Thank you.
Hey, Jen.
Please, excuse us.
Okay.
My son, come.
Jonathan.
Papa.
Do you realize what you're about to do?
How do you mean, Papa?
Can't you see that the girl's father is blind? Do you want to marry a daughter of a blind man?
And so what?
You're asking me. You're asking me. Do you know if blindness is in their lineage? And if so, one of your children, if not all, will be blind too.
God forbid. So, Papa, what do we do now?
This marriage will not work. It will not work.
So what do we tell them?
Don't worry. Leave that to me. I will handle it. Eh? Let's go back. Hey! Yeah, my in-laws. We are back. Hey. There's a little problem.
What is it?
You see, there's one of our family members who's supposed to be here with us, and he's not here. You see, he's like a father to us. Right now, we cannot say or discuss anything without him.
Exactly. Exactly.
We want to go and get him so that the ceremony will proceed. We'll be right back. This one.
Okay, we'll be waiting now.
Mama?
They have gone, no?
But they say they will come back.
They won't be back.
Why?
You won't understand.
How are you so sure that they will be back?
You will not understand.
Yes, my battery was low and I'm charging it right now. Yeah, I had to put it off so it can charge quickly. I'm fine. Oh yeah, he's taking good care of me. I miss you too. No! Oh, okay, I love you too. I love you so much. Okay. Bye-bye. Highness, please. I'm no longer interested in this.
Why?
Please, permit me to ask. Do you have a conscience? You were sleeping with your son's wife and you don't even feel anything. Your Highness, what we're doing is not right. It's a taboo.
My princess, I am the Igwe, and I decide what is a taboo and what is not.
Your Highness, what we're doing is not right. It's not right at all.
I shall be back.
Thomas, your coming to my house this morning cannot be in vain. It is either something is after you or you are after something.
Yes, Zimuzo, you are right. As a matter of fact, I am deeply worried. The rate at which evil befall this our community is alarming. The whole thing started as soon as Ramsey took over the throne, just like you rightly told me the other day. And you heard what our chief priest said, that Oramus is not the legitimate king of our Ezobodo kingdom. In fact, I am confused. What do we do?
If I tell you that I am not bothered by all this, then I am lying to myself. That was why I spoke directly to the Igwe the other day. But you people did not understand me. I am confused. The only thing I know is that Eziobodo is in trouble. Ichie Thomas, let me ask you this. How many of our young people have got married lately?
Nobody.
How many of our women have been raped on their way to the farm? The murder, the arson, the atrocities committed in Eziobodo every day. Ichie Thomas, Eziobodo is in trouble.
Zimuzo, can two of us only visit our chief priest, ask some questions, and see if he can tell us what to do?
And if he tells us that the only way out is for Ranusi to step down from the throne, like he has done, who would take over the throne? Will you?
No, but let's go and see the chief priest first.
I don't know who sent you. Whether you came on your own or Rhinos sent you. But let me tell you this. If nothing is done within the shortest time, the entire Eziobodo kingdom will be on fire. I see blood. I see blood everywhere. Blood. Yes. Even more. Please tell us what we are to do. If I tell you what you are to do and you do it, more blood will flow. Let me warn you. You should know how to deal with Orangose. He's very, very deadly. Just do your own and allow other things to happen. Am I clear?
Ezemo, please, I have one more question for you.
No. Leave this place. Leave! Go! I want to commune with the gods. Go!
Ezemo.
Teresa, what is your problem? Why are you going around the community treating other people as if they're slaves? Simply because the king says that you're the princess. The other day, it was Obuda. Yesterday, 2 innocent children. Tell me, are you the Pharaoh of Egypt or Jezebel?
Enough! Enough of it! The way I treat people or the way I relate with them is my business. So you let me live my life. Let this be the very last time you will come into this palace and tell me what to do. I don't want to hear such rubbish again.
Shut your mouth. You talk to me like that? You have grown so big that you don't have respect again for me.
You slapped me!
Shut your
the princess of this Yogodo kingdom. Me? No, Igwe must hear this.
I will slap you again.
And again!
What you have? When did you come? Who made you angry?
Talk to this thing that called herself my daughter. She goes around the community treating people as if they're slaves. Warn her.
I will definitely talk to her.
Talk to her.
I will. Princess, what did you do?
Lolo, can you imagine? That woman walked into this palace and slapped me! The princess of this Yobodo kingdom.
That woman is your mother, and she has every right to beat you. I have warned you about the way you treat people in this community. I wouldn't want to warn you again.
Adam, you have to be fast though. Eh? You know your husband's people will soon be here.
Yes, Mama, I know. That's why I said I want to cook this food myself. So I know that I can cook too. And plus, if it's you that's cooking this food, then it will take a long time.
I know. Do you remember all I told you last night?
Mama. How can I forget such a vital information that you give to me now? He said that I should be submissive to my husband, I should be tolerant, I should love my husband, and above all, he said I should trust. No, I should be truthful to him.
And look, if you do all these things, you are going to have a wonderful marriage. Oh?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Well, I wonder why Nana is not yet here.
Nana. Maybe these missionary people did not allow him to come. But who knows, he might still come. Oh, do this thing quickly. Do. Why? Hey. Do you need my help?
No.
Awesome.
You want to take the shine?
I know you're a good cook. You don't have to prove it to anybody.
Now you know him?
Yeah, I know him.
No. Okay.
How far now?
Excellent, sir. What is this? How far now?
Yeah.
What you can you come?
I'm going to my daughter.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Take care of your wife.
As we are saying, very much happy. What? Abomination. Oh my God. Hey.
Are you alright?
What happened?
It's okay.
No problem.
There's no problem.
No problem at all. No problem.
There's no problem.
No problem. You mean there's no problem?
There's no problem. No problem. There's no problem.
Tell you. No problem. Papa, what do we do? Is Zog my brother? Not so. This marriage will not work. Let us go back.
Papa, why? Is it because of the palm wine that poured away? I still have money here with me. Before we get there, we get another keg of palm wine.
You can't understand. Also, there's a saying that says that any wine that will cause problem between both in-laws, let it break on the way. And this is exactly what happened now.
Papa, forget those old people's belief. Let's continue our journey. I must marry Adugo. I must marry Adugo.
Also, I agree with what your father said. I am going back. This is a taboo. We have to go back from here. I'm not going with you.
No, so let's go. Hey, if I look at my long wine,
my wife, Adugo. My wife, Adugo.
Let us go.
My wife, Adugo.
I have to find
Adugo. I love Adugo so much. I leave Adugo.
Mama Chimusa, it seems as if our visitors are no more coming. I'm going.
Oh, thank you.
Deji.
Allah. What is happening to me? What is happening to me? First of all, it was Jonathan. Now it is not so. None of them even showed up. Just look at the food that we cooked for your husband. Not even show up. I don't know, I just feel like someone is after my progress. No, come.
My daughter, don't talk like that. Nobody is after you. I believe the right person has not come.
Exactly. You're right, my dear. I want to go to their house first thing tomorrow morning. I want to find out what happened. I want to find out what happened.
You won't do any such thing. Things are not done that way now. It is done the other way around. That the people to come and tell us if there's anything wrong. It is not you. Bang.
God's own time is the best.
Exactly. Come, my dear. Let me tell you. If they come, fine. If they don't come, then it is not God's time. No. Stop crying. Don't worry. Stop.
Why me? What have I done? What have I done?
Adugo, is it because of what happened yesterday you're crying? See, I've told you, if Nonso is your husband, definitely he will come back. But if he's not, if you like, cry from today to tomorrow, he will never come back. Down now.
Oh, why would I cry? Just tell me why I should not cry. First of all, it was Jonathan. Now again, it's Nonso. I don't understand why everything.
Onye, why are you begging her? What is it?
I wonder why she's the only one all the men in this village are asking for her hand in marriage. What am I even saying? Should I call that one marriage or promise and faith? After all, who in his right senses would like to marry a daughter of a blind man? Iberi! What? You're a witch. You're a black witch. Ah! What is it, Seth? What is it? How can you be talking to your fellow girl like that? Iberi.
See, let me tell you something. You see this life, no condition is permanent. It could even be your own eye someday.
Onine, you can say whatever thing you like. Huh? As for me, I've said my own. I'm going to the street. White angel.
See the kind of friends you keep. See her.
It's okay.
It's okay. Stop. Stop crying.
I don't like this hairstyle. It's like your hairdresser does not know what she's doing anymore. You know my son is coming back next week and I wouldn't want him to meet this hair like this.
But Lolo,
No. I'm going to invite a professional to put finishing touches to it, okay?
Okay, Lolo, thank you. If that's what will make you happy. Thank you.
It will make me happy.
I can see you are both having a good time.
My lord.
Good day, Your Majesty. Good day, Your Majesty.
What is this? And who put it there?
Your Majesty, I didn't
know. Princess! Guards!
What's the meaning of this?
Guards, I ask you again. Who put it there?
I do not know, Your Majesty.
Now tell me, who was the last person here last night?
Your Majesty, I am the one. And I looked everywhere before leaving last night.
Igwe, what do we do? This is a bad omen.
Guards, I want you to go and summon all my cabinet members. Tell them I want them here within the next half hour. Is that clear?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, this is a very bad sign. We must do something about it before it takes somebody's life.
I think we should go and see the chief priest and tell him what we saw.
Then we better do that fast.
Your Majesty, you see what I have been telling you?
Yes.
Do you all see what I have been saying?
All right, we've heard you.
Let us go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go.
See what I have been telling you?
Go and tell the so-called Igwe that I am not coming. Let the strange dead goat lie there on the throne. Chief priest, Ezemo, the other day we came here asking you for something. But you refused to tell us anything. You kept saying that our Igwe is blind. Now we are more confused.
with these strange happenings in Eziobodo. A dead goat lying on the throne of the Igwe of Eziobodo. Hey! Mbano, chief priest. So that this calamity will not consume the elders and the entire kingdom. Oh, it's already affecting everybody. Oh, but one thing I must tell you, I'll go to the palace only on one condition.
What is the condition?
That Ezeka Oranguse promises to step down from the throne.
Chief priest, please, if Oranguse steps down from the throne, who will be our next Igwe?
Since there is no male child from the Ezenna family, our king is blind. Go and tell Oranguse, the so-called Igwe, what I have said.
Your Majesty, the chief priest demands that you step down from the throne.
Never! I say never! This chief priest, what does he think he is? That I, Igwe, Ezeka Oranusi, the Onyenekpome one of Eziobodo, that I should step down from the throne that I legitimately assumed. Anyway, you see this thing, I will take care of it myself. I'll handle it myself. You may go.
Your Majesty.
I said you may go.
Your Majesty.
I say go! Guards!
Your Majesty.
I will handle it.
Ajada wankenu. Oh brother. Igwe. The gods are angry with you. And if nothing is done, it will result to a serious calamity, which will start from this palace.
What can we do to avert it?
Leave that to me. Oh, moi, occasion a book no miri, Otakambani Lualu, again a master by John Chadoguru, Nabron Mebe Pentane make, Ruta de Bumuelo, Mabneva de Willow, Nkebentas in a make, Okoda Banu, Otisana Pegadam. Hey, or Setere. Is it odi? Do one here, you may want your baraka. Makande sekese na ikeno or hulu. I wish you and them and buko. What na inde sekese? Nisikri bondai go with the into Tadia. Or Setere, is it odi? Or Kadogi? Ndabina ndege de donu kwamu kete menyo nyogero karabata lukorobi kako fudere. Igwe, it is done. You can now sit. Oh, I want to go there and negotiate. Sit.
Are you sure that this will not happen again?
I have appeased the gods, and they will not harm you. Can now sit. 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 Ajada wankenu. Nkiri ka na-ekiri ododo. Ada ezi ododo enyi ozu. Ajada wankenu. Ọkwada agba isi a na-akpọ ịgaradam. Ọwụ mụ. Ejena mazaba jolu. Abụ ọnụ bụ ebe ọkụ na-agba ọjịja na-akpọ ịgaradam. Nke ekpenta ji emeke. Ọ na-enwe nwata ya wụ ọzọ anụ. Nwata ji ubi ọkụ njem nwanyị.
Oh, yes. My son, you are most welcome. You are most welcome. Oh. And how was the journey?
It's wonderful.
Good.
It was great.
Good.
You're both looking wonderful.
You are looking most wonderful.
What? She must be the one.
Yes.
Hello. My elders, please forgive me. I got distracted. So how are you?
The son of a tiger! The son of a tiger! Oh, you should.
You're very welcome.
You're welcome.
You're highly welcome. Thank you. Bless you. So, how are your families?
That's my daughter.
Your daughter?
Yes, my daughter.
Oh, that's my daughter.
That's my
This was very funny. Your daughter.
Shall we go?
Your Majesty.
You are welcome, my son.
Igwe Ezeka Orelsi. You requested my presence.
Yes.
I'm here.
You shall live long. You shall always prosper. You are most welcome.
Thank you very much, Mom. And Mother.
Now you are officially Prince Lawrence Oranosi, the heir to the throne of Owodo.
Thank you very much, Mother.
You're welcome, my son.
It's so great to be back home.
Welcome.
Sit down, everybody. Sit down.
My princess.
So, Lawrence.
Yes.
Come the next for market day, the entire kingdom will assemble here for a welcome party, which will also serve as an engagement ceremony where Tessie here will be handed over to you as your wife.
That's great, Father. That's great, Father. Father, I am most delighted. And within these few days, my princess and I will find time to get properly acquainted.
Indeed.
Easy. Father, thank you very much. That's what I'm saying. I saw this photo of Doctor. What's he doing up there?
Yeah, it's your old photo. So you recognize it?
Oh, yes, I do.
Well, we had to have a photograph of you. You refused to come home.
Okay.
All right, now we take a look. Good.
Oh, my. You're not ready yet?
I'm almost done.
Oh, you look gorgeous.
Thank you.
Your hair.
You like it?
Oh, yeah, sure. Yeah, nice.
Mom insisted I wear it for you.
My mom did? That's nice. Yes, so Tessie, tell me more about yourself.
Well, that depends on what you want to know.
Like your hobbies, things you like, and things you don't like.
I like singing.
It's wonderful.
I love dancing. I read a lot of novels.
Wonderful.
I almost forgot. I love strolling.
Strolling? I've never heard of strolling being a hobby.
I used to stroll a lot back in school.
Really? That's nice. Yeah, that reminds me. Yeah, you said something about leaving for your youth service. When is that supposed to be?
In a couple of months, but that's not necessary.
Why?
Because I am going with you to America.
It's all right, okay? Pick up your stuff. We'll talk some more when we get out there.
All right.
All right. No, I get it door.
Thank you.
Are you blind? Did you not see me? Did you greet me? Oh, you do not know who I am.
I don't care who you are. And I can see you lack manners.
Are you crazy?
Jesus Christ! Stop talking to me like that. Why are you hitting me? I will hit you again and again if you say one word.
Tessie, please. It hasn't come to that. Why did you hit us?
Honey, can you imagine? This rat
insulting me, Princess Tessie Oranusi.
I'm sorry, okay?
It's okay, sir. It's okay. And for you, I promise you will definitely meet your match someday. But will you disappear from here?
Rubbish.
Fool.
You look worried. Is everything all right?
Oh, princess, go to sleep. I'll be fine.
How can you ask me to go to sleep when you're here thinking? For the past 2 hours, I've been begging you to come to bed with me, but you refused. Since you came back from America, you haven't even touched me once. Or don't you love me?
Oh, princess. You worry a lot. I told you I love you. I really do. See, but making love to you is what I don't know for now. Oh my God. I don't really know what's wrong with me. I don't know what's happening.
Honey, please, I beg you. Look at me. I am a woman. I have waited patiently for you to return. I beg you, please, make me feel like a woman.
I will. I will. But not today.
My people of Eziobodo, I say my people of Eziobodo. Thank you. Today, I hereby declare that my Crown Prince Lawrence and Tessie as husband and wife. You may have the first dance.
Thank you very much.
Hey, stop there. Who are you and where do you think you're going to?
We are entertainers. We heard that they are doing a party inside, so we want to entertain them. We dance and sing.
You do what?
Dance and sing.
Please now.
Listen, Mr. Man. This is not street where beggars stay.
Please now, you see I am blind. This is what I do for a living.
Brother, if we don't enter inside here today, we will not be able to eat.
Please help us.
onye hụrụ
Chio. Ewo nene onyamuma. Ewo nene onyamuma. Ewo nene onyamuma. Ewo nene onyamuma.
Can we clap for them? Let's clap for them. Let's have the friend. Let's have the friend. One. Dancing. Let's dance now.
My name is Prince Lawrence Oranusi. I'm the crowned prince of Eziobodo Kingdom. Who are you? And where are you from?
My name is Adugo, and I'm from Ufuma village. My father is blind, that's him there.
Well, don't be scared. I've come to you for good. Tell me, which family in Ufuma are you from?
I'm from the late Ufele's family.
Adugo, what are we waiting for now?
Papa, sorry, please, I'm coming, please.
My prince, the guests are waiting.
Let them wait. Okay, you can go now.
Good evening, ma. Papa, sorry.
What's troubling you? You've been acting strange lately since you saw the daughter of the blind man. I'm sorry. I did not mean to upset you. I only wanted you to understand that I'm a human being too, and I have feelings.
Percy, let me be. I want to think. Allow me to think. Just let me be.
I should leave you alone. You want to think. It sounds so easy to you.
What is this? What's the meaning of this? Huh? Do you want to leave this room for you? Is that what you want? You want to leave this room for you? Okay, I'm leaving.
The Crown Prince wants to see you.
For what?
Oh, hello Adugo. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good.
What are you doing here?
Of course to see you.
Me?
Yeah. Are you forgetting something? Remember we didn't finish our discussion the other day at the palace. That's why I'm here. How are your parents?
You're fine. Mama is in the farm and Papa is asleep.
I see. Well, what I'm about to tell you now will be a surprise to you.
What is it?
Adugo, I want you to marry me. And that's exactly why I've come to see you.
You want to marry me? A prince coming to marry the daughter of a blind man? Please, don't waste my time, please. Like I told you before, my father is sleeping and you know he's blind. Let me go and see him.
Unfortunately, I will not leave until you say yes to me.
And if I say no?
That means you don't want me to leave.
Well, it's not for me to say. Come and see my parents.
I will. I'll get back to the palace, discuss it with my father, and then come back to see you.
Bye-bye.
I feel the pain in your heart. I see the tears you cry. Your world has fallen apart. Sometimes you wish you could die, but be strong. Be strong. Hold on. Oh no, it's just for a while. Please be strong. Be strong. Hold on. You don't know the day your blessings will come. You better
Adugo, from what you just told me, you said a prince came to this village and asked for your hand in marriage.
Yes, Mama.
So where did you meet this prince? That he came here to ask for your hand in marriage.
I met him when Papa and I went to dance in the welcoming party of the prince.
Where was this party name? Which party?
At Zubudu.
What? Eh?
Eziobodo.
Eziobodo. Eziobodo Adugo. Hey! I thought I told you people not to go to Eziobodo again.
Mama, I don't understand why you don't want us to be going there again. You're not even explaining anything to us. I don't understand it all. I don't understand why.
You don't understand. Very soon, you will understand. You will understand. You will understand.
My son, what is happening to you? For a few days now, you have been behaving rather strangely. You hardly eat, you hardly sleep, you hardly talk to anybody. Even your wife is complaining bitterly about all these things. Please, we are your parents. Talk to us.
It's about that girl.
Which girl?
The daughter of the blind man.
Which blind man? Oh. The blind beggar that came to beg at your party.
Yes, mother.
What about her?
That's the girl I want to marry.
God forbid. Lawrence, are you mad or something? Igwe, did you hear what your son said?
Lolo, do me a favor, please. Go to his room. I'm sure you will find empty bottles of spirits there. Maybe some...
I am not drunk. haven't been myself since I met that girl. No, I haven't. I have spoken with her, and she's accepted to marry me.
Then something is wrong with your head. By the way, where's the princess?
I don't know.
You better not let her hear all this rubbish that you're saying.
Yeah, Lawrence. You just want to disgrace this royal family of where?
It's gone beyond that, Mother. How do you people expect me to marry a girl I don't feel anything for? I don't have an iota of feelings for her. Since I got back, I've hardly slept on the same bed with her, touched her. You ought to have seen what happened the other day at the restaurant. A girl was just walking past. Because this girl did not say hello to her, she hit this girl. She's so arrogant, ill-mannered. Mom, tell me, how do you expect me to end up with such a girl as a wife? It's about me, how I feel, my future.
Lawrence, do you know how far the arrangements have gone? Now leave this place. Leave this place. And don't let me hear that rubbish again.
Honey, the maiden said you wanted to see me.
Yes, sit down. Tessie, I'm a very straightforward man. And I believe in the truth. Tessie, this marriage will not work. And I found myself another girl.
Honey, I know you were joking. And I know you love me so much. So, why don't you just stop pulling my legs?
Tessie, get serious for once. Please, get serious. Now you listen to me. You're a very beautiful girl. And you have everything it takes to be an ideal woman for any man. Please, find yourself another man and just let me be. Please, I beg of you.
No, I want you. I don't want anyone else.
It won't work. It won't work. Okay? It won't. I'm sorry.
Princess, I said, don't worry. I'll talk to my son.
You better do. You better do. Because this is not what we bargained for. You promised me that your son will marry me when he returns. You even used that opportunity to lure me into sleeping with you. Now you and your son are saying a different thing.
It's all right. I said, don't worry. I'll handle it. But be rest assured, that you are my son's wife.
For some time now, Lolo has been acting very strangely towards me. Even the maids no longer attend to my call, indicating that I no longer have a place in this palace. And you expect me to believe you? Igwe, you had better do something or else I'll kill myself here. I'll kill myself.
I said I would take care of things. I will do something. Calm down. I'll Don't worry.
Excuse me.
My son, I want you to listen to me. For about 2 weeks now, your mother and I have been discussing with you on the issue without any success. But we have to be realistic. That according to our customs and traditions, royalty is not allowed to marry outside the kingdom. And as far as we know, the lady in question is not from our kingdom. So I'm afraid your request to marry her cannot be granted.
But Father, the customs, laws, traditions were made for man, not the other way around. Besides, you are the Iwe. You can use your position to reverse the law. Please, Father, allow me marry this girl. I love her. Mother, please. Please, Mom.
My dear, what do you think? And about the princess?
Igwe, I don't want to lose my son.
Very well. I shall send some guards to go and bring her into the palace.
Dad, you don't need to bother. I'll go personally myself tomorrow.
Really?
I will.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Father.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, Mom.
You're welcome. Zekwe, you know you and I planned this thing. And it was to the advantage of your family. But unfortunately, my son turned everything upside down. So please, I want you to accept this little gift as a little compensation and take your daughter back. And I pray that God in His almightiness...
Hold it there! Hold it there! What are you saying? What are you talking about? That I should take my daughter home after all her exposure in this place? Huh? If I take her home, who will marry her? Who? And you're talking about this nonsense compensation. For what?
Nzekwe, you're taking this thing a little too far. After all, my son has not touched your daughter.
Hey! Don't ever open your mouth and talk that rubbish. The few days your son returned from America, look at the damage he has caused on my daughter. Take a look at her. Eh? Okay, go to our people. Tell them your son never touched my daughter. And see who will believe you. Look at you. Listen. Take all your private things and come, let's get out of here. Don't touch any of that nonsense. Eh?
Look at the Ovaltine and the milk you butter to go and repair the damages your son caused on her body. Eh? Come, let's get out from here. Your Majesty, God is watching. God is watching. It's not
What you sow is what you reap. For all you do, you surely get the reward. There's no escape from the truth. What you sow is what you reap. For all you do, you surely get the reward. There's no escape from the truth. What you sow is what you reap. For all you do, you surely get the reward. There's no escape from the truth. If you do,
what's wrong?
God is watching.
What's wrong with you? Huh?
If you do,
don't you have a practice to do?
He's watching.
Respect yourself. Respect yourself.
Sometimes it seems that the evil man has
Princess,
judgment will come. What you sow is what you reap. For all you do, you surely get the reward. There's no escape from the truth. What you sow is what you reap. For all you do, you surely get the reward. There's no escape from the truth. What you sow is what you reap. For all you...
Are you still here? Pack your things inside. Stop crying. Stop crying. It's not the end of the world.
Why are you crying? Useless thing. I warned you, but you and your father will not listen. You want to be like a princess. Princess. Now tell me, how are you going to face the people that you offended? Now that they have pushed you out of the palace like a common maid. Princess Tessie, please, when you finish crying, go to the market or you will not eat in this house today. Princess.
Who are you? And where are you from?
Your Majesty, my name is Adugo. I'm from Opheli's family in Ofuma village. My father can't see.
What about your mother?
Your Majesty, my mother is dead. She died while giving birth to my younger brother, Nana. My grandmother took care of us till date.
And this brother of yours, is he blind too?
No. Nana is in school. He's in a missionary school.
Are you trying to tell us that blindness does not run in your lineage?
Yes, Your Highness.
My son, Prince Lawrence, did he ask you to marry him?
Yes, Your Majesty, he did.
And what did you say?
Your Highness, like I said before, my father cannot see anything. He doesn't see at all. The only person that is in a position to make any decision about any marriage plans is my grandmother.
Really?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Well, in that case, I would like to have a chat with your grandmother. You will go and fetch her right away.
Your Highness, I will go with her and come back with them.
I feel the pain in your heart. I see the tears you cry. Your world has fallen apart. Sometimes you wish you could die, but be strong, be strong.
My granddaughter will not marry you. Go and tell your father Digwe I said so. You people should leave us alone. No?
Mama, take it easy. Oh, no, he's our guest.
Mama, please, allow me marry Adogo. And I promise you, I'll change your life forever.
Who is asking you for a change? I like my life the way it is. So leave us like that.
Mama, you really sound as if you have a problem with my father. Even if you do, Mama, for my sake and Adogo's, forgive him. Come answer him. Please, I beg of you. Please.
You said your father, Digwe, wishes to see me.
Yes, Mama.
I will go and answer him.
Thank you very much.
Mama, you are welcome. And who is this gentleman beside you?
My son.
Ah, you are welcome.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Mama, did your granddaughter tell you why I invited you?
Yes, Your Highness.
What do you say to my son asking your granddaughter's hand in marriage?
Well, Igwe, I am going to accept your son marrying my granddaughter on one condition only.
And what is this condition?
I will accept in the presence of your family members, the elders in council, and the villagers at large.
We are trying to see if your granddaughter is suitable for my son, and you're here giving us a condition. We are not playing here.
Suitable? Lolo, I'm sorry. We are not begging your son to marry my granddaughter.
Mama, whatever the condition is, consider it. Father, please, let me handle this. Guards! Guards! Quickly, go. Summon all His Majesty's elders in council. Ask them that His Majesty requests their presence in the palace right away. Alright? Within the hour, okay? Hurry! Go! Hurry! Mother, it's okay.
What do you think you're doing?
Father, it's okay. Let me handle this. Please.
My people, we have visitors from Ufuma who have something to tell us. You are all witnesses to what happened between my son, Prince Lawrence, and Tessie Nzekwe. And now, my son has made his choice. And the grandmother of the young lady who was chosen wants to tell us something. Now, woman.
Thank you. Igwe. People of Eziobodo, I greet you all.
We greet you.
I am Mbechikwere Okonkwo, the wife of late Ufele in Ufuma Kingdom. Your Igwe son, Prince Lawrence, wishes to marry my granddaughter, Adugo. As you can all see, her father is blind. And to tell you the truth, he is a prince from this kingdom. The son of your late king, your late Igwe, Ezenaya.
Woman, is this a joke or something?
I'm not joking. You see, several years back, as I was going from my father's house back to my husband's place very late in the night, the road was very lonely. I was frightened when I saw vehicle lights coming towards me. I ran into the bush and hid.
Kimber, this place is a very dangerous place. Nobody passes here by this time. Let's do this, we can go back to the palace.
What? I still wonder why His Royal Highness Igwe Ezeka Oranusi want to wipe out all Ezena's family. The other day, he sent us to go and arrange assassin to kill Igwe Ezena. Now, Lolo, Dibugo and Prince Chubuzo. Kimber, what do you think you are doing? Listen, we don't have time. And why didn't you consider all this before you accept to do the job? Why? Listen, we must finish what we have started. Do you understand? Now let's go.
Can you see me?
I hope he's eating very well.
Yes, he's eating. Or he's trying.
Okay.
Are you going out?
Yes. I want to go to the bush to get some herbs, which I use to prepare some medicines for Chibuzo.
Okay. But tonight, do you think he will see later?
Don't worry. Don't worry, he will see. You don't know what he went through in the hands of those fools before they brought him to that place. Besides, you said they tied his eyes. So it's a matter of time. You will see.
If you say so.
Please let me rush so that I'll come back quick. Yeah?
Okay. Nai, please. 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 Take your mercy. You'll be fine. Be cool, Nai.
No, I'm tired. The body is weak. Mbechi.
Yes, Nai.
Bring Chibuzo to me.
He's here with us.
Where is he? Mbechi.
Yes, Nai.
Please take good care of this boy. And don't forget to take him back to his people when he grows up.
Nai, why are you talking like this?
My son, you will grow into a full man and take back what belongs to you. You are blessed. Mbechi.
Yes, Nai.
Please take him inside. I want to rest. Hi.
Yes,
ma'am.
There is something I want us to discuss.
What is it, Mama?
I want you to get married. Look, I have seen the girl. I have spoken with her and she has agreed to marry you. Come on, you do it for me, oh?
Mama, I, Chibuzo, getting married?
Yeah, now.
At this age? Mbani, Mama. Mbani. But Mama, you know I'm still a young boy now. What do people say about me?
I know, but you have to do it for me and for you. Please do it for me. It will make me very, very happy. No? Pico no. Pico one. Pico. Pico. Pico.
Okay, Mama. If you say so, I will do as I have said.
Thank you, Mom. Look, we are going to see the parents. Oh? She's a beautiful girl. You will like her.
I trust you, Mama. I trust you.
Mama, I'm tired. I can feel the pain still again.
No.
Mama.
You can't be tired, my dear. You can't be tired. Oh? Buzongwa, I think it's time for us to go to the hospital. Nugo.
Mama, can I come with you?
No, you cannot come. Stay and look after Adugo, no? Please. Adugo.
Yes, Mama.
Once your father is tired, you take him inside. Lock the windows and doors. Lock them very, very well, oh. Don't open it for anybody, oh?
Okay, Mama.
Buzo Kaiga. Oh, Mama. I will.
Oh God, how I wish I can see to see how my wife feels. Who is that?
It's me.
Huh?
It's me.
I said, who is that?
Your mother.
Oh, Mama.
Yes.
You are back. Oh. How is my wife?
Your wife gave birth to a bouncing baby boy.
A bouncing baby boy?
Yes.
Where is he?
Yeah.
I want to touch him. Oh.
Hold him well, so that he doesn't fall.
Oh. My son, your name is Nana. You are the true son of your father. Oh. And where is Amara? Is she still at the hospital? Mama? I said, where is Amara? Mama, where is Amara?
Amara!
Mama! Mama, where is Amara? Mama! What's happened to Amara?
People of Eziobodo, that is my story. This blind man is your prince. This fair girl sitting beside him is Adugo, his daughter. And he has a son, Nana, that is in a missionary school. He is your prince.
So, I am from this town. Mama, so this is why she always refuses coming to this town to perform. I wish I had my eyes to see this animal that killed my parents and made me blind just because of position.
And to think that we were living in that kind of a house before. Can you imagine that this is my father's compound? People are just wicked. People are just really wicked. Papa, I wish you had the eyes so that you can see what you truly own. I wish you could just open your eyes and see.
Woman, but he was not blind before. How come this blindness?
Like I said, when I picked this boy, there was blindfold. And when the blindfold was removed, we found that there was some substance rubbed on his eyes and a piece of cloth. And that caused his blindness.
So, who was responsible for killing Igwe Zenne and then kidnapping Lolo Dibugu and her son, the prince?
I said that. I overheard the guards when they said that it is Igwe Oranose that sent them.
That is a blatant lie.
No wonder Ikemba and Obiuku died a miserable death.
Igwe, you heard all the things this woman has said. Are they true? You're not saying anything. So it is true.
Rubbish. Absolute rubbish. Which she knows are untrue. And you accepted it from her. Oh, my people, I am disappointed in you. God!
Yes, Your Majesty.
Get this woman and her grandchildren, 4 children blinded. Get them all out! Get them all out!
Lies! Ezeka! Big lies!
What are you talking about?
From the day you ascended the throne, I began to see blood flowing in the land. I challenge you to prove your innocence. Prove your innocence before the people of Eziobo.
Mom!
Defend yourself against all the accusations made against you. Swear. Swear with this authority. If something happens to you, then we'll know that you're innocent. Swear! Come on! Take it and swear! 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 People of Eziobodo, that woman is very, very right. Rubbish! Absolute rubbish!
What are you doing here? I thought you'd been settled.
Why are you shouting at me? I have come to possess my possession. My husband.
What possession? What husband? Who is your husband?
The Igwe, your father. All the while I have been living in this palace, the Igwe has been sleeping with me. He forced me to sleep with him, that if I do not sleep with him, he will not allow me to marry you, and that he will chase me out of this palace.
Me say that?
I accepted.
No way! How could I possibly do that?
Now I am pregnant for him. Since you cannot marry me, the Igwe must marry me. You 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 must marry me.
What you sow is what you reap. For all you do, you surely get the reward. There's no escape from the truth. If what you sow is what you reap. For all you do, you surely get the reward. There's no escape from the truth. What you sow is what you reap.
My fellow elders, the problem is, how can we crown a blind man? Where has such a thing happened before?
Ichia Banogu, what are we to do? That is the question.
And the answer is, crown him the king of Eziobodo kingdom. Right or not, that throne is his birthright. Chief priest, please, speak no more. Crown him, because our king is blind.
According to our tradition, before we crown you a king, you must have a wife. And that is why the council of the elders and the chief priest here, we have married this woman for you. Her name is Okundo, please.
I cannot see, but from the feelings of my hand, I can sense that you're a very beautiful woman.
Thank you, my king.
Thank you for agreeing to marry me.
You're welcome, my husband.
Prince Chibuzo is in now. On behalf of the elders in council and the entire kingdom of Eziobodo, today I crown you the new Igwe of Eziobodo Kingdom.
Were you the lady I just touched as my wife?
Yes, my husband.
You really are beautiful.
Thank you, my husband.
Your Highness, you can see. So you can see. You are Ichie Nzekwe. Oh, Ichie Nzekwe. Yes, you're welcome. Ichie Nzekwe. Yes. You're welcome. Hey! Hey! Oh, this is wonderful. You are Ichie Thomas. Ichie Thomas. Your Majesty.
Your Majesty. Ọmụnwabo Ichie Abanogu onye kpubere gị okpu n'isi ugbu a.
Ichie.
God bless you. Thank you. Ihe abatago n'ezi obodo ọzọ.
Eziobodo kwen! Eziobodo kwen! Kwezuonu! Our king is no longer blind. Our king is no longer blind.
What you sow is what you reap. For all you do, you surely get the reward. There's no escape from the truth.
Where is Lawrence? Lawrence.
Yes, your Majesty.
Oh, you're Lawrence. You came with your mother?
Yes, your Majesty. Come with her, come with her, come with her.
It's okay, it's okay. I invited both of you because I do not want to punish you for the sins of your father. The sins of the father should not be visited on the son. I want to ask you in front of my people, do you still want to marry my daughter, Princess Adugo?
Yes, Your Highness.
Princess Adugo, come over. in front of my people, I want to ask you, do you love this man?
Yes.
Lawrence, I want to remind you that when I was blind, Adugo was my eyes. Please, treat her well.
I heard you, Your Highness.
Your Majesty, I don't know what to say. I just want to say thank you. Thank you very much.
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's alright.
Thank you.
It's alright. Your Majesty, I want to thank you for your kindness, to have forgiven my father for all the atrocities he committed, and then to tell you that I plan to return back to the United States with Adugo and my mother as soon as we conclude the traditional rites.
I give you my blessings and I wish you well.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Believe this. Let's go and see her. Me? After all I did to her, you want Adugo to lock me inside the police cell? Hey, baby. You think everybody's like you? Eh? I'm going to meet her.
Sometimes you wish you could die, but be strong. Be strong. Hold on. Hold on. It's just for a while. Please be strong.
So, this is where I was trained and brought up.
Yes.
Let me take a look inside.
What of a berry?
She's fine.
Over there. What is she doing there?
She's not sure what you're going to do to her.
How can she even say something like that? Come here. No. Come. Look, Ebere. Whatever you did to me, I've forgiven you, okay? It's in the past. God has a reason why everything happened the way it did. Okay?
She's my friend. Me too. I like your dress.
They gave me so many of them. The earrings too. I'll keep some for you guys. Go, let's go inside. Okay, now go this way.
Your friends?
Yes. That's Adu, that's Ebere, that's Onye.
Mama?
Yes, my dear.
You're not coming back here again, no? Until I build you a house that befits your status as the mother of a king.
Thank you.
You deserve it.
Thank you. Your Highness.
Mama.
Now you know I'm not your real mother.
Mama, you will always be my mother forever.
Thank you.
Mama.
Love you so much.
Let's go.
I'll invite you guys to the palace sometime, okay? Okay. Yeah, I will.
Alright. I feel the pain in your heart. I see the tears you cry. Your world has fallen